This looks like a very interesting component here, Dave. What's happening here then?
It's a binocular load cell. We manufacture quite a number of these in various sizes for various loads. It's got 4 gauges which are mounted in the reduced section, giving us a binocular load cell measuring a bending load. In addition, there's a flexible PCB circuit for connection into the electronics that it's finally used in.
Yep.
Again, we'll be using our epoxy phenolic StrainBond 600 adhesive this case because of its being aluminium.
Yes. And the printed circuit board that's coming off here, or the flexi circuit, is all part of the process here, is it?
Indeed, yeah. The gauges are wired using our 134 AWN solid copper enamel coated wire to a terminal, which is then connected to the flexible circuit, which then goes into the customer's final electronics.
Right. So the mode here, as you say, is a binocular cell, so it's held at one end and then moved from the other end.
That's right, yeah.
Whatever it's trying to do, yes.
Yeah, it's used in a PCB manufacturing environment.
Right. And looking at integrity of components etc.
Yeah, indeed, yeah, into ensuring the integrity of the components adhesion to the surface of the PCB.
Of the board, right, I see, yes. And again, the temperature here is what, ambient most of the time, is it?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. There's no temperature compensation on
required.
This. It just works as a standard ambient temperature.
Full Wheatstone bridge, yes?
Yep.
Yes. And the cabling coming out, well, obviously the PCB board comes straight off onto there, but how do you test to see if this is working? When you've got the flex circuit, I mean,
we've got a mating connector we use, which we can connect into our DVM power supply and check balances and resistances and the insulation of the installation.
Sure. Yeah, that's very good. And protective coating wise, it's very minimal.
Again,
it's a good environment, presumably.
Yeah, clean environment. These are coated with M-Coat C, which is a solvent finned RTV 3140, which is quite quick dry and gives a reasonable amount of mechanical protection.
Yes. No, it's a very good bit of workmanship there.